probably go ahead and start this off with an apology because all of these videos are coming out super late. Let's just say life got in the way. Not that I need to justify anything, but I got covered in poison ivy from like here down to here. So yeah, we're still dealing with some texture issues, slash I'm still dealing with some poison ivy on my stomach. And then we've also just been busy doing, you know, life things. It's just one of those situations where like everything happens all at once. And so today I am filming a plethora of videos. Some of them are a little late, but we'll go ahead and get started. If you're watching this, you are here to watch the June 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. And let's go ahead and dive on in. So I got a box instead of a bag. I'm not entirely sure why that happened. The box is cute, but I don't really have a preference. I don't know if it has anything to do with what's in here. I picked this / got my reveal so long ago now. I don't know what's in here anymore, just like usual. So anyways, we'll move on. But this is what the bag looks like this month, which it is a cute design, not gonna lie. So we'll go ahead and see if we can find the card. The theme this month is show your colors. Summer's coming in hot. Turn up the heat with bold styles and vibrant shades that show what makes you one of a kind. After all, there's no hue as unique as you. And then, 5 ingredients for a fruit-powered glow. Interesting. So basically different fruits you can eat that will help you with various skin issues, it sounds like. And yeah, so thank you, Ipsy. We'll go ahead and look into the first product, which this is something that I remember adding on. Surprisingly, it is a scent. It's one of those $3 / I think now, if this was $3.50, it's another scent. I have a problem. I can't help myself. It's a problem. I'm aware of it. I also reek like lavender oil right now, so we'll see if I actually am able to smell this. But this is the Hermetica Peony Pop Eau de Parfum. So we'll go ahead. I think that spritzer might be broken, but it's a nice scent. It smells like peonies. Shocking, I know. Anyways, I approve. We'll move on to the actual products I got in this month's box. So I do remember picking this. This is the Misha Beauty nail lacquer. And this is a set of 2. And you know me, I'm a sucker for anything that comes in any sort of like tealy shade. And so I saw this bad boy and I was like, yeah boy, that's what I need. / it matches my shirt almost. And then it also comes with this kind of boring color, but I'll see, maybe I'll actually do some like nail art or something, and that could be fun. But I'll go ahead, maybe I'll actually go ahead and do a nail real quick. How are you guys doing? Staying cool out there? We're having one of those like copyright Texas summers this summer, and it's kind of awful, and I'm not about it, but that's fine. Also, when I show you this hand, you're going to have to, if you see any of the, peeling skin from the poison ivy, just pretend like you didn't. Maybe editing, you can do something about that. So I can tell you this is not going to be a one coat coverage type of deal with at least the teal one. And I am already messing it up a little bit because I'm not getting clean margins. But we'll go ahead and we're just going to do our best. And that's all we can do. Feel a little bit like Bob Ross, not going to lie. We're just gonna paint a little happy cloud or a tree right here. Anyways, I'll have to go back and clean this up later if I actually decide to commit to doing my nails. I so rarely commit to doing my fingernails. I'm usually have no issue with doing my toenails. Okay, well, this is like 2 coats. I don't know how well you can tell. It's still kind of streaky. Honestly, this probably needs a 3rd coat. I do like the color, but I think this is saying a lot about maybe the quality of the nail polish. But we'll go ahead and do the nude colored one, which it's the shade Serving Beauty is the nude one. And then the one I just put on is called Rendezvous. So do with that information what you will. Okay, well, the nude color one also kind of needs a 2nd coat, if you can tell in this video. But I'm actually kind of digging this nude color. I didn't think I would. I don't have any nail polish this color, so you know what? Good job, Ipsy. pulling me out of my comfort zone with something new. We'll go ahead and move on to the next product, which this is the Neogen Dermatology Daylight Protection Airy Sunscreen with an SPF of 50. The bottle is very shiny and chrome. We'll go ahead and give this a little bit of a swatch, just because I'm curious to see if it's gonna kind of be streaky or have that white cast residue that is very common in these sunscreens, which I'm not really seeing this. This is a very different texture than the sunscreen I'm currently putting on my face every day. Oh, that's like light. That's kind of like actually rubbing very, very nicely. Okay, well, we'll have to see how this goes next month as far as that's concerned. We'll move on to the next product that I got, which is the Dr. Zenobia Hormonal Dermatology Essentials, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid plus Peptide Serum. This is what it looks like in the box. We'll go ahead and open this bad boy up. And this is what it looks like in the actual container, and then just carries, oh, you're a pump top. Yeah, hyaluronic acid has been doing a lot of good things for my face. So if I ever see a hyaluronic acid product in my Ipsy, I'm usually not hesitant to go after that. This next product is one that they chose. I believe actually the last two are the ones that they chose, if I remember correctly. But this is the MAC lipstick. It is the Love Me lipstick in the shade E for Effortless, which I thought this was going to be a more like classic red, but the box is making me think maybe not. This is what the tube looks like, which this is a very cute tube. And then, oh yeah, it's like a darker red. It's pretty. We'll go ahead and give this a swatch. Oh, it has like some berry undertones. I know on camera it's showing up very like kind of bright, but that's in person. It's showing up a little bit more darker and berry. That's very interesting. Anyways, I'll have fun playing with this next month. It's been a while since I've gotten a red lipstick, and I'll be honest, I'm at the point where I'm about to toss all of my lipsticks because they are God knows how old now, and you know, these things have, you know, a life, and it's kind of one of those unspoken rules in the beauty world that like that 6 months is just a suggestion. But anyways, I'm pretty close to just doing a complete clean out of all of my makeup because yeah. Now lastly, we have the Ciate London 9-piece eyeshadow palette Cranberry, which if I can open this box, I'll show you. I'm also trying not to ruin my nails, and I don't understand why I'm even trying because I've already messed them up, and I know I'm gonna have to go get the nail polish remover after I'm done filming today. But here I am, fruitlessly trying. This is what this looks like. This reminds me a lot of those Huda Beauty kind of quad palettes, if you will. And then, ooh, these are very pretty. So these are honestly mostly shades of brown, but we'll go ahead and give these all a good swatch. So 1 minute. You know, I will say I am a sucker for a shimmer. And also it feels like, can I pop this out? Maybe. The palette makes me think that I could pop this out with the way it's like, it doesn't feel like it's secure in there, which I probably could if I tried really hard. I'm just not gonna try hard. Also, I'm kind of wondering what's going on with this bottom middle row shade. I think it's supposed to be a mix of kind of pink and brown, but this is what all of the shades look like swatched on my arm. They're very, very bright, vibrant, very glittery, but there's some of them that'll be interesting to play with for the next month or so. I feel like this is like a very Christmassy palette, but you know what, Christmas in July, that's what we're gonna do this next month. Anyways, moving on, if you've made it to this part of the video, you know I like to talk about the products I got last month. And you know, now that I've had a chance to use them, what are my real thoughts on them as far as suitability? So we'll go ahead and move on to the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. I've been using this as a evening facial moisturizer. I really like the texture on this. I was worried this might be a little too heavy for my summer skin because in the summer I need a light moisturizer, and in the winter I need a thick moisturizer because in the summer I'm more prone to humidity related breakouts. But this has been pretty good. I'm still getting like a couple hormonal ones / I'm sure the poison ivy did not help, but anyways, overall, I've been pretty happy with this. Not mad about it. The next product I got was the Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow primer, which I have been using. I did use it for my eye look today. I'll be honest, I'm not sure I've seen a difference so far with using this as opposed to not using a primer at all. Maybe let me know in the comments down below whether or not this just isn't a great primer and I need to go use that Urban Decay one that's really popular. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Maybe I'm just not doing super complicated eye looks. I don't know. Anyways, moving on, we have the Beauty For Real liquid lipstick, which is what I'm wearing right now on my lips, if you will. Voila. Though, which I do like this color. It's like kind of my lip color, but better, that kind of vibe. Yeah, it's cute. This time of year, I don't wear a whole lot of lipsticks or liquid lipsticks just because it's too hot. But, you know, I'm dressing it up a little bit today. Feel pretty. Moving on, we have the Aesology Gua Sha Facial Massager. And if I remember correctly, in the last Ipsy video I filmed, I was like, yo, I can't guarantee I'll use this every single day, but what I would like to do is use this at least once a week. And in the beginning, I was using this a couple times a week because this ended up feeling so good on my face, especially because I do a lot of public speaking at work in this time of year. And sometimes like you get done talking and you're like, have you ever gotten sore from smiling too much? Like it's one thing when you're like, oh my gosh, I laughed so much that it hurts, but like where you're forced to just smile like this all the time for 8 hours a day, and then you like finally have it to stop and your face just hurts. This has been so helpful. I put this in the fridge for a couple of minutes while I'm like doing my skin routine, and then when I'm done and my face is freshly moisturized, I can just massage all of that out. I loved this bad boy. My favorite. So this was like probably one of my favorite Ipsy products ever. Would recommend. Then lastly, we have the Frank Body, a scrub from Down Under for all over. So basically it's a coffee scrub. This is a little bit different from the coffee scrub I remember getting. Sorry, I just realized my ADHD brain was like, oh, this is nice ASMR sounds. Anyways, I'll stop now. Anyways, this is maybe just a tad different from the one I remember getting in my FabFitFun, I don't know, at some point from the last couple of years, but still really like it. I think it was just the scent that was a little different, but otherwise, like, this has been a lifesaver with how much shaving I've been doing for the summer because, you know, it's summer and I like my skin, or shaves, words, I like my legs shaved. So anyways, I'm always happy with this. This is such a good scrub. If I ever see this in the future, that's for a good price. Probably gonna get it. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I feel very honored that you chose this video to watch out of all the videos from YouTube. Low-key stole that from Chad. But anyways, if you've made it this far and you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make YouTube more likely to suggest this to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Stay cool out there. Have a good day.